What are you doing?
Cheese.
You're saying cheese? Are you playing?
Cheese.
Okay, are you playing in the snow?
Yeah.
Show me, where's all the snow? Where is it?
Kite.
Can you find the snow for me? Show me all the snow.
Kite.
Kylie's out in the snow.
Can you go out the snow?
Yeah, go ahead.
You go out it.
Yep, I'll be right behind you. You go, go.
Mommy.
Come on, go. Yep, you go. Look at the trail that Kylie made for you. Look at all that snow. Kylie, what are you doing?
I can't.
Are you stuck? Are you stuck?
Yeah. Mommy, what? Come on.
Okay.
Guess I'm gonna be stuck here forever.
Think so. Lacey, walk in the trail.
Okay, Phil.
Yeah, walk in the path. Is that a lot of snow?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Turn around and say hi to Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi. Whoa, whoa. Right in the snow. Oh, no.
Mommy,